y'all, how's everyone doing? Well, looky there, you get this beautiful view of Bree. And that is quite a beautiful view indeed. Okay, so, and now you can add me in. I'm not as pretty as Bree. Oh. Well, I have a couple of things, haul-wise, that I wanted to show y'all today. And so let's just get started. The little items are some mascaras that I chose. And one I'm wearing today, and I just wanted to show y'all what it's like. So this is BURTS BEESs Nourishing Mascara. It's 100% natural, and I got it in color 1310, which is a black brown. And it looks like this, just a brown tube, wand, whatever you call it, container. And it looks, to be honest with you, more brown than black. But what I really do like about it, it's got that toothy little comb. So let me get that up close and see if we can get it to see how it's toothy. And then also this, I'm trying to show you. Actually, I'm going to add a little right in front of you. Just going to, oops, I got some little hairs. There's no, as you can see, you can barely see it, y'all. So, what would I say about this? If you're looking for a supernatural, not supernatural, a very natural look, because this is like the second or third layer. I'm looking in the monitors while my eyeball's looking over there. And that's what it looks like. I can hold my head back and look up a little so you can see. So, I need to keep it even though. So, I say all that to say, if you like that look, that's great. Here's the other thing that it's great for using. Again, this is the second or third, I think third coat that I'm putting on. And you can see that it is, it feels dry, y'all. And it's very light, but it does separate out good because of the little comb style wand. The other thing that I wanted to show you was you can use this because it's so dry. You can use this to kind of brush up your brows and make them look a little more. When you can see the hairs, y'all, it looks a little more natural. So kind of brush past your brow line and where you can see the little hairs. And with the dry mascara, it kind of helps them look a little more natural, puts them in place. The other thing I want to show you, look how I wouldn't call it crepey, just wrinkledy. This looks under my eyes. See that? It looked great when I first put on my mascara. And I took the advice of so many people and added a finishing powder. And I used the best one there is, in my opinion, which is Charlotte Tilbury. It is very finely milled, but to me, it makes it look so dried out that it looks awful to me. I won't be using powder under my eyes again. Maybe people who have very moist skin do that and then they dust it off, but I did dust it off. I used a dual fiber brush and I feel like it looks terrible today, so I wish I hadn't done that. The other thing is, I tried the under eye concealer that I get is from Mineral Fusion, and it is their Duo, and I get it in Cool. It's got like a more orangey tone, which you think, that's not good. It is good for the blue area right here, where you're more sunken in. That orange cancels the blue. So I do like that. And then on the top side, it's Duo. It has a much lighter color, so you can tap over that to kind of and blend out, especially back here. Just you need to blend it in good. But I usually put it on right after I put on my under eye moisturizer, which has retinol in it. I've shown you all that before. ROC, R-O-C. And so when I put it on, it's moist. When I put the powder over that, it does this. So that's why I don't do it. But speaking of Mineral Fusion, this is their mascara. And so I decided to try it. Why is it so dark in here? Oh, I didn't turn on any lights except for the one right in front of the camera. But, yeah, whatever. Is that better? Okay. So I got the two mascaras. And you're like, why did you get two? Do you get black and brown? No. I think, yeah, they're both black. So, but this one is regular. And this one is waterproof. So that's the difference. So the regular one is called Graphite, and that is the, I guess it's black tone. I hope it's black tone. I hate how these just don't come out anymore. They tear off. Look. That's true of almost every package that's folded. Maybe I don't have the strength of the fingernails to get it out. But anyway, look how similar these look. Well, I guess not. This is long and skinny and brown. Is that even all the way on? That doesn't look like it's all the way on. It wasn't. Maybe that's why it dries out. Anyway, so it's kind of looks, you know, like a typical mascara bullet, or what do you want to call this? I think it's lipstick bullets and mascara. Well, the wand, but just the tube that it goes into. And this is lengthening, and it is not waterproof. So much more moist. Did y'all just hear that? Listen, that's so much more moist right off the bat. Can you see? I guess I gotta put my hand behind it. Hold on. There. Again, this is a spoolie brush. This has not got the little prickles. But look how they're spaced out, so that that will do a really good job of separating, just like a plastic, the little prickledy ones. So can't wait to use this. But it's so moist, I would not recommend using this on your brow until it dries out some and there's not much mascara on it, because you don't want to, unless that's the way you want to do your brows. My mom used to do that. She would just put mascara right on her brows. If you're going to do that, I would recommend using the waterproof, because you don't want to smear your brow, and you don't want, if it starts raining or you start sweating. Okay, so the difference, look, is this is in blue. So it's very easy to tell them apart. In your little makeup pouch or on your dressing table or wherever you want to put it. Let's listen. Let's listen. Yeah, very moist. And it's a different shape. This is more like the butterfly shape. Y'all seen this before. Trying to let it focus, focus, come on, focus. It keeps wanting to focus on the other things in the picture. There we go. Alright, good. So you can see it'll separate good. It's that kind of, almost like an hourglass shape. I think they call it the butterfly shape, but I call it hourglass. So we'll see how it works. I just wanted to show you that I've gotten them. And if you're interested, I will do a tutorial using these. So that's one thing I got. Again, out of the two, I haven't used these yet, but I'm already feeling better than the BURTS BEESs ones. But this is a very natural look, so it's not going to put a lot on. So if you just want something that'll put a little bit on and then pull it back off real good, because the way that it's the plastic prickledy comb spoolie, this would be good for that. And also, again, like I said, eyebrows, but this is not waterproof. It probably does have a lot of wax because it's bees. You know, they're real big on bees and beeswax and all that. So anyway, I wanted to also show y'all. This is from Colorwow. I open this. Alright, all things are possible with good hair. I don't have good hair, so let's see how it goes. I guess the point is it's going to make it good. Alright, so I ordered these products to try to get my hair better. Now y'all know that I'm a huge fan of the Root cover up, and I get this in blonde, dark blonde. And what you do is you put it right in the part line and any other sparse areas, and it just, all it does is it colors, honestly, your skin and the hair root so that it doesn't look so baldy. Or if you've got gray hair that's growing out or any other color hair that's growing out and you get your color, you just put it on and it gets you to the next coloring job. Or for me, it not just that, it colors the scalp so that it doesn't look so bright, like white scalp showing through, and it shows how thin my hair is. So, and I used to think, well, you could just put makeup on. All this is a makeup. I mean, it just looks like a palette, but it's not. It is made specifically, it is formulated for hair, and there's a big difference, just so you know. It sticks on good. So you see that almost looks like a sandy taupe, and because I have more blonde hair in the summer, because I just go a little bit lighter in the summer, this would look better than the other one, which I usually get through Soft Surroundings, but it's Joan Rivers version, and I like it as well. But this is a little more accessible, and I do like this color. It's more blondie looking. Now, I also went ahead and got some products that are supposed to help you have better hair. So let's just look at each one of them. In fact, this is a check off, so it'll probably be the easier. Alright, so first of all, the Flexi Hairspray. That's that one. Wait, it looks like both of these are. It is! Wait a minute. Okay, this is the purse size. That's the only difference in these two. Because I was like, wait. So this is the purse size, which y'all know I always keep hairspray in my purse. I just like it better. By the way, some of you had asked for an updated what's in my purse, and I will do that later today. But and this will be in it. But I always keep a hairspray. I think I've got I don't even know what's in there now, but this is going to be switched out to be in there. It says Cult Favorite, Wow Cult Favorite, Firm and Flexible Hairspray. So supposedly, it's super fast drying, strong hold, won't distort your hair color, which they're all about hair color. Because you know, all those different chemicals on our hair affect our hair. So one of the things is often hairspray kind of dulls out the look of the color. It says other hairsprays can darken, dull, and distort color, but this crystal clear, non-yellowing formula keeps fresh and true. Ultralight polymers give a firm hold, but leave hair brushable and workable, never sticky or stiff. Sunscreen helps guard against color-treated hair for UV damage. And I can't wait to try this, so that's that. And then this is the Bombshell Volumizer, and this is so cute. It says, own the room. You don't need to say a word. Your hair will speak volumes. So it's a volumizer. So when your hair is still damp, you just put in a couple of pumps of this, and it's just a volumizer. And I'm going to try it and see, does it really help volumize my hair? Does it